Welcome to all of you. Now today we start for the model water softening. Now water softening, the definition of water softening. Softening is the chemical process in which hardness causing ions, calcium and magnesium are removed from water either completely or partially. Softening may be achieved by chemical precipitation using the lime soda ash method or ion exchange method or zeolite method. In chemical precipitation method, the objective is to produce calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. That's shown in the reaction. Calcium plus carbonates converted into calcium carbonate as a precipitate solid. Magnesium and hydroxyl, it is magnesium hydroxide as solid. These two reactions achieved by addition of lime and soda ash as will shown. The precipitate magnesium hydroxide we need to raise the pH to 11 by the addition of soda ash. This will be added carbonate as needed, react with the remaining calcium. Some of the added lime is consumed to remove carbon dioxide, which is necessary to raise the pH. The softening reactions of the water softening method, the neutralization of carbonic acid. To raise the pH, we need first to neutralize acid in the water. That is shown by reaction. Dissolve carbon dioxide plus lime. It shows the calcium carbonate solid and the formation of water. Second, precipitation of carbonating hardness due to calcium. To raise the pH to 10.3, all the bicarbonates is converted into carbonates. The calcium and carbonates and the lime, which is to converted into calcium carbonate solid and the water. The precipitation of carbonating hardness due to magnesium. To raise the pH to 11, add more lime. That will be shown by reaction. That magnesium carbonating hardness and removed by the lime with formation of magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate and the water. Second, magnesium and the carbonates plus lime, it will be form the magnesium hydroxide, it is solid, and calcium carbonate, it is the solid. That is the insoluble. That means the calcium and magnesium due to the carbonating hardness converted into hydroxide and calcium carbonate. Softening of soda lime process having the limitations. Lime soda softening cannot be produced water completely free of hardness because of solubility of calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide, limitations of mixing and reactions time. Next, thus the minimum calcium hardness that can be achieved 30 milligrams of per liter as a calcium carbonate. The minimum magnesium hardness that can be achieved is 10 milligrams per liter as a calcium carbonate. This gives a minimum hardness of 40 grams per liter as a calcium carbonate. Next, however, normally the water is treated to give hardness in the range of 75 to 120 milligrams per liter as a calcium carbonate. As an excess of lime beyond the stoichiometric amount is usually added to remove magnesium hardness, plus minimum excess lime is usually 20 milligrams per liter as a calcium carbonate. Maximum excess lime is 60 2.5 milligrams per liter as a calcium carbonate, that is 1.25 milliequivalents per liter. The magnesium in excess of 40 milligrams per liter as a calcium carbonate is not desired as it forms scale in water heaters. So magnesium is expensive to remove. So we only remove magnesium in excess of 40 milligrams per liter as a calcium carbonate. Thanking you.